guys, apo nyo pain niya sa kanyang 2 months. Yan, in 1 day. Meron pa siya, napaka-maganda na kanyang balancing. So, nilabas ko po siya. May pa yung ambience ng kanyang balancing. So, mas po siya ngayon. Bye-bye! Makoy-koy pa guys. So again, this is the great improvement of my stroke bedridden stroke patients po tayo. For is 2 months, araw-araw po therapy ang different kind of program. So this is speedy recovery program of my stroke patients. Yan. Ang asawa. Ganyan naman. Wow. Hindi ako masyadong kakain. Relax ka muna. Kasi makabalansi ka. Yan. So ito ito ng 1 guys. Yan. Please don't forget to like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Modernong Mangkeping to po. Stroke therapy po. Yan. Ay, kita nyo po yan. Paikot-ikot sa Pampanga. Yan. Yan guys.